Hey yo, this is DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. Today's video, first of all, how y'all doing? Hey y'all, um, I hope you guys are staying safe this holiday weekend. You know, people have a tendency to go nuts on a holiday with the drinking and driving and stuff. Y'all stay home, entertain your immediate family that's there in the house with you. Do not go out. Do not try to have big elaborate parties and whatnot. Keep your mask on, social distancing, wear gloves if you must, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant wipes. Stay home, stay safe, all right? Now that I got that out the way, um, this is a DIY. Yes, I'm back at it. I'm redoing my bedroom, y'all. Redesigning my bedroom, and the look that I'm going for is coastal, vacay like, spa, zen, um, vacay getaway, beachy, beach townhouse, soft, flowy, airy type theme, okay? With a little bit of glam. Y'all know me. Stop playing. Y'all know me. Anyway, I had seen a few things at the at-home store and some home decor stores where I was like, $20. I can make that for less. I can make that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a DIY, making some of the little sit-arounds, little pretty sit-arounds that I seen that I wanted for my room, but didn't want to shell out the money they were asking for. And the first thing I'm doing is these little terracotta pots. Real cute. They come three in a pack. I have that. I have my glue gun all geared up. I got this floral foam, okay? And I got these. Now this is all Dollar Tree items. And I got this grass. Got grass, terracotta cups, and this. What I did forget, so I'll put a disclaimer out, is the little white rocks that I want to put inside. So I'm going to do everything but you guys will see the end results when I do my room reveal. Okay, so in saying that, I am chopping, just slicing. This foam is very workable, very workable. You can even break it. And took my glue gun and I put just a circle. You don't have to do this, but I have grandkids, so I want to make sure everything stays. But this is an extra step. You know, that's why they call me extra. Okay, and I'm just going to smash that down in there. Very workable, very pliable, and it pretty much does what you want it to do. And then I'm going to add a little bit more the glue from the glue gun and go in with the rest of this. It can get a little bit messy, some little fibers on your hand, but a little mess ain't never hurt nobody. Okay. Now I'm going to take just a little bit more. You see how I pressed it down? Okay. Just a thin slice this time. See, I slice it like it's a piece of bread, y'all. Let me go in with my glue gun. Boop, boop. Just a little bit, because I just want this to stick and stay. Just in case somebody little fingers get a hold of it. Okay. Now what I'm about to do to this is make sure there's a hole in the center, an opening where this where I can put the grass down in there. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue where exactly where I'm going to put that at. Like so. You guys can see that glue there. And there is where I'm going to stick that down like so. Make sure it's straight, because when that glue dries, there's no and see, I had already started one here. And while pushing that down, I seen that that's pretty much even. I was pushing down the grass. To meet the florals foam. So it looks like this. Can you guys see? Looks like this. Now these are workable. These bend, so you can have it as bushy or as thin as you want it to be. Mine are going to be a little bit bushy because in nature they're bushy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set one aside here, is, you guys know I'm a little bit extra. And so also at the Dollar Tree, what I'm working with right now is all Dollar Tree items. I had got this lace, pretty opulent. Can you all see the shimmer in that? Okay, I got that trim. And so after I go to the Dollar Tree and get the rocks for the top of this and glue that down, you guys will see the end result. Like I said, I forgot the rocks yesterday when I was out. But that's going to be beautiful. But I'm putting this lace trim around, and it has a little bit of pull. It's on like an elastic strap. Okay. So I'm just measuring around to see just how much it is that I need. Let it overlap just a little. I'm going to give that a cut right there. And then I'm going to go around with my glue gun. And I'm going to start where I want it to be. Now you can do this step to be your first step if you so wish. Let's see what side. This is the side I want it on. If you so wish, this could be really your first step that you do. But everybody has their own way of doing things. And that is mine. Okay. And you have to hurry because this glue dries really fast. But you all see how pretty and dainty that's looking. Like I said, I wanted sometimes the coastal or beachy can look a little mannish, bachelorish. I didn't want that look. Just add a soft, natural feel to everything. Okay. Be careful with that glue. I'm just going to add another bead of glue, no biggie. And you guys see how that looks like ruffles going around there? And it adds a really feminine touch. Really feminine touch. And with the rocks on the top, it's going to be really, really pretty. So that is my DIY for today. I'm going to do this other one real quick. And like I said, you guys, um, when those rocks get on top of this, it's going to be gorge. Again, I'm just measuring. And I'm going to cut right there. Okay. Got the glue gun. Set that down for a minute. And when you're working with the glue gun, you have to make haste, honey. Like I said, be careful with the glue because it is hot. Okay. A little bit at a time. And like I said, this really could be your first step that you make. That would probably make it a little bit easier, but I don't know. I like that to be the last part, and I wanted the rocks to be the very last. But I forgot the rocks at the stove. Okay. Just takes a little time and a little patience. Look how pretty, you guys. Look how pretty that is. Yay! How pretty, pretty, pretty. And it's a lace and it's opulent, so it has that iridescent. Iridescent is the word I'm looking for. And when I get those rocks, white rocks on top, that is going to set that off. But I just wanted to share that little DIY with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll try it. And if you try it, please tag me. Give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.